Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game controller not working or gamepad not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically with drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. This will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working now. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Remove your controller from here. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, add your controller over here. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates, wait for some time. Once Windows is updated, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. So you can easily see an update over here. If there is an update, click on it, update your game to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if controller is working now. Next is to enter big picture mode. For that, you have to go to Steam, select your game, under library section. In the above section, you can see enter big picture mode option. Simply click on it, enter it, try to play the game and after that again exit big picture mode and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then you can install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You can easily copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the download option and once the DS4 Windows tool is downloaded, you have to install it and once you install it, again after that launch the game and then check for the error if gamepad or controller is working now. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.